All right, welcome back. We are on level 6. Um, so let's see. We have some instructions here, but here's where I have to pause for a second because do you see how this is purple and these are all green? So the green means that these are practice and skill building, and those are fantastic. But the purple is actually an assessment level. So I don't want to go through this and actually do it for you because then how could I make it an assessment? So what I'm going to do is I will read all the instructions to you. I may give you a tip or two, but then you're going to have to follow the instructions. Okay? So let's get started at the top. It says add a next icon. App Lab has several icons you can use for your apps. Let's add an arrow icon to our app that we can use to navigate to the next screen. Do this. In design mode, drag out an image element. Set the ID of this element to next icon. Next to the image property, click the blue choose link. All right, and again, it shows you how. So right there. In the window that appears, click the icons tab across the top of the screen. So right here, so icons, and then you're going to type into the search bar, type next to load several icons to choose from. So you'll have all of these, and then you'll pick one. All right, and then in the middle of the screen, okay, are several arrows. Choose one of them to represent our next arrow. So you can pick any of these, all right? In the code mode, so right at this point, you have to make sure that this is yellow right here, code. Drag out an on event block, set the ID of the block to next icon. Inside the on event, drag out a set screen block and select screen 1 from the drop down menu. And then that is right here. So it should look like this. On event, next icon, click, set screen, screen 1. Run the program to make sure it works. It should load the welcome screen, and when you click on the arrow, it will load to the next screen. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to show you how to do it because the instructions were very, very clear, but I'm going to pause the video real quick and I'm going to run through all this, and then you'll see what it could look like when you're done. So I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. So what I have here is the welcome screen with the next icon on there. And when I press run, classbook recommender, description, and when I click on the next icon, it takes me to the next screen. So that's what all of this is asking you to do. Again, I'm not going to show you step by step because I've already read the instructions. I've shown you what it could look like. But this is an assessment level, so you've got to actually do it on your own. All right, so with that, I'm going to wish you good luck, and I will see you on level 7. Good luck!